Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings" error in Roblox. If you're on an iPhone or Android and see the green play button with a slash through it, this video will help you to updating your settings so you can play your game again. Let's start. First, open the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. In the bottom right, tap the circle with the 3 dots to open the menu. Scroll down until you see the gear icon for settings. Tap on it. In the settings menu, select privacy. Check if account restrictions are enabled. If they are, you'll likely see the error message. Turn off account restrictions by toggling it off. If you have a PIN set up, enter it to disable this feature. Then, in the main settings menu, go to Parental Controls. Scroll down to Allowed Experiences. If your account is set to all ages, change it to 13+. If you don't have a PIN enabled, ensure that Allowed Experiences is still set to 13+. If changing these settings doesn't fix the issue, try adding a PIN to your account and set it to 13+. Once you've updated these settings, close the Roblox app completely and reopen it. Now go back to the game you were trying to play, and the green play button should be working again. That's it. This is how you can fix the "This experience is unavailable due to your account settings" error in Roblox. For more tech tips and tutorials, please subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Thanks for watching.